The Joint Action Committee of Social Organization JACSO hakalai pui tarik noilar kala pensngo bakadap da jinglingo halor ka jingdon jinge phe jingmut apadeng ka sarkar padeng pat ka sarkar jila habai dei pat ka surok tulien na nongston pambrio wa ka ji mauthaba plang dilon ranikor ka ba ka sarkar jila ka kam bakadei kum shibintawan kintiyo ya ka kam chungo kai perthei tourism kani ka jinge phe jingmut pat ka ka surok kala pausha ka jingelang ka blak khot do menteri rangba ka jila Dr. Mukul Sangma pat ki sang balang ki pokrashan bat persha panchnai ka surok tulien ka jakso ka dei ka kanhon chungki khandai tali sang balang SSSS HYC FKGGP SPDF HNM HNYF kanthop iki sang ki bana ka than west but southwest Khasiels kumka WKHSU MIYF wat ka SWKYF habai kren hakilat patai khubor general secretary ka jakso samla robot jun kharjarin ulong kalong ka ba umla mansung thu ka jingthumu panchnai ka ni ka surok ka don ka jingi pher hapdeng ka sarkar preng ka sarkar jila usamla kharjarin ulong ka jingthumu jong ka sarkar india ka debi thik kumno ban plelan banyo banti yo marpo khando kat ba ka sarkar jila kumla pantep du tok tom mukul ka deban kintiyo kam jong kai perthei parul ong ru ka jingthumu jong menteri rangba kalong ka ba umla ban priang ban kintiyo ya ka kam jong kai perthei number ba wat hadu menta tangi ki chaka ki bladon lupa ka sarkar kam patla man le ai
Ucapin sta uang ba kadon ka jingthrang jong ka sarkar ba ye baro ki strok ame khlia di ban tulin ka jing lada kadon ka tulin la ban promote yang tourism katahi clarification ka ba ngi la ban phai ba ka jing thumu jong ka sarkar ban priang ka ni ka state government kalong ban promote tourism ka jing thumu jong ka ministry of road and transport pat kalong ban ti uranium they can know about the land promote tourism and tea uranium. So that's why you bring the Ministry of Road and Transport on board, bring the UCL on board. We will talk free and frank. What is the real intention behind this law? Ngatrai borok away ga rikasi jongi borok away ga mekhlia ka long ka jaka ka itanat adu kata habang ikran sipangka tourism kidon ki priority of tourism hey ingin invest wa kasora kadi ka world class tourism ka bahadu mentangim 4 laban invest kena kanong khnum kadi ka biggest river island ka bahadu mentangim 4 invest kena kamo korot kadi ka way na ki area ka bahadu mentangim 4 laban invest kena ti habang ikran ya ka tourism ngatrai we should invest haki tu ki jaka ki bala khlan pa ka tourism hari da ka burong satay hot ki itanat ing nomla ong ba kam itanat rai da ka burong matrai kiton ki pa ki jaka ki ba kam itanat ba jinla dangila ban invest kampun haki jaka ki bala khring lupa natrai kandal chup
ka jingelang apreng ka sarkar jila hapo ka jingelam jong menteri rangba ka jila Dr. Mukul Sangma bat kinong ilam ka sinjuk kinong sencharge nong ka bri nyotrap SNSBH hakalai phui tarik nailar hapo secretariat klashim ya kanai ban kerpat ya ka Khasiels Autonomous District Council KHADC kan wan rabyang ne recall ya ka Khasiels Autonomous District ka village administration bill arja katsan hapo kran chikilat pathai kubor hadien balawai ka jingelang bat kinong elam ka sinjuk kinong sachan strong ka bri new trap ulong ba ka KHADC ka de ban wan rabyang ya ka te ka bill pat hadien kani kan penbet pat pencanai sachisian ni ki katu kati ki kendon jong kani ka bill kanang bakan nom yetingko pat ki kendon an jong ka parliament kanang bakan ni ka bill kan yo ya jing menjur ban kala an no Dr. Mukul ulong kani ka rai ka dei ka bla shimlang baru baki yangs kam ban shim kya ya kani ka tanat pat ka KHADC ulai thuru pa ka KHADC hakalai phui tarik nailar hi kala dap ban pha ya ka jubab hakabai dei bat ki khara thali ki mat kibla pan jing panchayat ka Ministry of Home Affairs MHA hakbai dei pat ka VAB pat ulong ru ba omla mantip lano ka MHA kan pha ya ka jing sngo jongka halor ka tika bill jongka ke HDC hadien bakla dep ban pha ya ki jing panchai
the most appropriate approach in as far as this bill is concerned will be to ensure that KHDC recalls the bill and take necessary measures to amend the bill in such a way that none of the clauses incorporated in the bill shall then come into conflict with any of the laws passed by the Parliament, therefore giving space for the office of the Honourable Governor to further refer it rather than assenting to the bill. And this we have taken as the most appropriate alternative in as far as this bill is concerned. Therefore, we have collectively decided that the state government and the Sanju will therefore also take up this issue with KHDC and appropriately communicate the collective decision that we have arrived at today after a long drawn discussion. So this is in as far as the village administration bill is concerned.
Hakabai day bakamuda building bylaws Dr. Mukulul Ong kalong kabudun kampan penyapia iki jaka ki bahab apok municipal na ki jaka ki bahab apok schedule areas ulong ru bahaka jingilang layatai sani ki jingnon kampan chem takilinti ki babyang ki bala man pentri kam ki jaka ki bahab apok ki municipal area pada ki jaka ki bahab apok schedule areas.
And we have taken a conscious decision today that besides various measures to actually work on few legislative measures in regard to facilitating enforcement of appropriate building bylaws, keeping in mind the safety concern in view of again the overall impact of unforeseen challenges of natural calamity. Certain legislative measures which is required have to be worked out and to work out in such a manner that the whole operation of such building bylaws will be worked out in such a model that will segregate the municipal areas and the non-municipal areas, or in other words, the scheduled areas and non-scheduled areas. So this is the ultimate outcome of this discussion. And in addition to that, a certain relief while pending these whole measures put in place, few other relief to minimize the kind of constraints to which our people are subjected to in respect of getting occupancy certificate and connection of various services like the water connection, the electricity connection, certain fine-tuning of the existing rules, not the bylaws. The rules can be worked out by the line department so that certain relief in respect of getting the occupancy certificate and various connections like electricity and water can be facilitated. These are a few things in respect of the concern as far as the building bylaws are concerned.
Halor ka jingdawa ban pendu no ekakendon jok Meghalaya Service Conduct Rules karkanai spa kanai po Dr. Mukulul Ong bak sarkar kan sasong man kmi bnya halor kani ka jingkarpat jongka SNSBH ulong ru pakat kum ketika kendon ai la betha ikinong tri sarkar ki bashimti kum kirang ba snong kidai ban pentep cheka sarkar shob ikin chimti yaki kam snong.
So from the side of the government, having heard exhaustively on this issue, we have suggested that we will further examine this issue at an appropriate level. Then we will again, since we'll be sitting again on this number of important issues as well, we will again get back to each other.
Nakaliang President SNSBH Dr. Wellong Karshiyang ulong bak sarkar kala ajimut bak KHDC ka deban wan rabyang yaka VAB Henry ka sinjuk kan salum daga jingelang banyatai sani shwa halor kani ulong ru bayaka tega bill ta thabat manjor ka KHDC pat ka SNSBH ka thrang baka VAB ka deban yo no yaka jing manjor pan kala anno
kumbaw la ang CM ni ka to yaga village administration bill kala one naga central jong government pan chief minister bakin advice yaga district council ban recall no yaga KHDC bill kanang ba kan deploy ban yo asen how no tengi kum ki stakeholder ikpa aba Kaniga bill kan gloy kan pass nomor ke Jainti Hill district la de pass matala hanju bana kalba ngi pana Khasi Hill district council da
ka sarkar jilla kalai pui terik nailar ka jingilang balalong hasagatariat bagi traja ka ki bakentup iki ba persha bat kershan ya ka project surok nongston rang blang wakaji tomyasiat pada mau thaba wakaji plang diloin ranikor kala pediang bakade ka jing shisha baka jing thmu jong ka UCIL halor ka project surok tulen na nongston pambri wa ka jing mataba plang diloin ranikor kalong na benta banti uranium par ka ong baka sarkar ka hakamon upai ba par ka jing thmu ti uranium ka sarkar pedeng habakran skilat patai khubor menteri rang ba ulong ka sarkar jila kala shim ya karai ba ya kani jing temu jang ni ka project uranium en ha ka mon jung paj ba ha ba kali ka nong rem jang ka sarkar jila ha ka ba de ka jing INOC tok to mukul ong ka sarkar ka yang man yakran man shim na ka jing ikran man pentik na ba boro arliang ki kunun persya bat kunun ba menjore kani ka project kin shim lang ko karai ka bala man pedang na ka benta ka ba ka miat jung paj ba ka jila ulong kat kum ka special accelerated road development program Northeast SARDP NE ka sarkar jila kalayo pedang tingka na bentaban kintiyo iki surok kibla dondupa kum ki surok Shillong bypass surok Shillong Jurobat umyam bat kiwe de ki project surok kibla dam.
The stand which we have advocated from the side of the government is that it is a fact that UCL has been mandated for uranium mining for a very, very long time. There's nothing secret about this. And there has been a number of measures to ultimately prevail upon the people of the state to proceed ahead with the mining. Now, a number of governments, state governments on number of times, successive governments have taken different stand, and therefore certain apprehension has always been there, resulting into certain protest, agitation, and which ultimately again resulted in stopping of all other activities which were linked to pre-mining activities and all. Firm decision with complete clarity that any further measure for uranium mining activities must be only after the people of the state are taken on board. Therefore, is there a space for all of us to insulate ourselves from this apprehension that until and unless the people of the state are actually taken on board, then only the proposed activities vis-a-vis uranium mining will be started by UCI.
Henry nakaliang General Secretary ka HYC usamna Robert June Khajarin ulong ka jingilang kamsem la poy haknu kunu kurai bakut Henry ngila terwa da ka basyai bangim la ban pediang yakni surok ka badan jingtmu panti umar po khando uranium samla Khajarin ulong kalong ka basngo thamula bak sarkar jila minta ka ngiat chopaj ba ban yakhi lada ka sarkar pedang kale jubor banti uranium Parkani kapan iba ke sarkar hi kamshani aswa ki an khando siap ki baladon pa uni nongelam ke HYC ubolong ru ka jukopor ku General Secretary ka Jakso ulong ka jinge kran kalong ka pakalan namara ka jingsisha ka sarkar ka riban shania ha ka an jaka inde ka pat shania au paj ba na benta ka jingti uranium
ila terwahi ba na kaliang jong ngi kumbangi kran ila pan pau hi da ka basai ba nginumla ban dinai ba ya kane surok laling bat ka jingtmu ti uranium nginumla ban dinai ba ka sarkar India deng ba ka UCL kadon ka jingtmu hampo jongka ban ti uranium bat nginumla ban dinai hi ba kane surok lamang ba hi thing namta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ka UCL bat ki company ti uranium namta ka jingbha ka jong pa ba ti nakaliang jongi ngila yeng bai ha ka norim ka basai ba nginumla ban ailat ya kene ka surok Arlin bahkan urlong ya ka ba kinyo ya ka ban pensuk ya ka ban ti uranium nomor hakajing keren ka ba khadu ngila kan mau ka ba uchi kon sta wong ba wat adang ya ailat ya ka surok tulin ngidang don pat kiwi pat kilan lo ki bala ban yada yangi banginum ai ka khando bekinti uranium Henry lada pinpej ya ka naki an kalan acquisition act ba thamai ka keren syai bakalan acquisition arajar khatlai ba menta kanom apply hakabadi bat kejing sim khando ya kaban khlong ti uranium hakabadi bat kejing sim ti khando uranium kadi ban apply bai ka Atomic Energy Act 1962 jong central government ka ong haka section spa santhuai kala keren syai ba kamdon bakani ka land acquisition kanom apply lada ka sarkar ka thmu ya ka ban sim jaka ya ka ban ti yonu numar ko khandau la ni kino ya atomic mineral but kin pen apply bet nang ba ka Atomic Energy Act 1962 but ala pin puli ya ka Atomic Energy Act 1962 kam don ru ka wei ru ka close ka man ong ba haswa ban sim ya khandau di ban kran yu pa ba lang ka kran sai be thik ba ka sarkar kan I notice ki try khandau ba la de pin pet ki try khandau jongi na du arajar new kila de list yang kena khandau jaga UCL hari kamdon bor ka public hearing ke bangin ai hearing so benti uranium tadi bet ya ka environment public hearing on day ya ka land right public hearing kadi bet nang ba state control pollution board ye ki we ki health issue henry kamdi ya kalan ra telefon page hi kalan lo ba kadon du menta dei kanon don ru iwe lan lo iban high special protection ke jong endang ikran ni kita nak liang u chip som mukul pat u ong no da we ba until unless the people were taking into consideration uranium mining will not take place kamu ngim rely shu akilan lo jongi ngi no stang ha ka jing ye khi paj ba ha ka movement jong paj ba
Usamla robot ulong kaseng kalarai bahagawi pat ka jingilang ka kwa panyekran ringkat ka jingdon lang kitukot nakatanat Ministry of Road Transport Highways pat kitukot naka UCIL kanang manisya na malada kitukot nakitikitanat pat ka UCIL kamdon jingmut panyekran baka sorkar habide pat uranium
ti kalapoi hadu kata hajaka ka sarkar ang bang independent na kilo pa protection ngi ang bang ihap ban dipen upaj ba ya kaban persya ti rendo so this is a kanik hamlong twist kendiat ti nakle jungi ngi ga suggestion bah ka next meeting ka bangin kendu ngi kwa banu iya ka member administration na Ministry of Road and Transport ngi kwa ban iya ki beru jong CL buat ngi nakaran apa syai bisit kasi until unless kini ki party ka Ministry of Road and Transport ka ba link ya ke uranium mining wa serong ka UCL kamwan kanam don cimut bangin si keren met tangi wa sarkar mar hakabri wa ka uranium mining tang ka sarkar makhlia kala unrai ri ka central government ru padon bor kadon benta ti itangil next meeting ni di bandon lang